In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Instagram cover after posting your post. That is quite simple and easy to do, guys, so let's begin. And first, open up your Instagram application and hit at your profile icon to open up your profile page. Now I'll tap on my last post, and there all I have to do in order to change the cover for that post, I'll just hit on these three dots icon and here tap at edit. Now there I can tap on cover right here, and it opens up that edit mode, and here I can drag through the video row to select the exact cover that I wish to set for that post, or even I can hit there at add from camera roll to add actually the cover for that video from my camera roll. Now you see how it works, and after that I can hit done, and as you see here is a new cover for my post. I can hit done and save the changes. That's how it works, guys. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.